going to take me weeks to finish. Hello again, it's Wednesday, and you know, if it's Wednesday, it's DIY Wednesday. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is, got this old canvas here. I've inherited it from a friend, and I'm gonna paint over it. I think I'll draw my cat or cats. Let's see. I painted this over 2 weeks ago, and it really is so small for me, so I'm gonna make a frame over this, and let's see what materials I have or how I do it or what I can do to improve this. I really want it big and make it a statement piece. For now, it's looking so small against my blank wall and over my bed. So let me show you how I did all of that in one day and how I now have redecorated my space again. Just some minor changes. I did some painting, and I just realized that painting is really therapeutic, and I may have to paint some more, but I don't have any canvases, so I might have to find ways or find things around the house that I can paint on. But I'm surely not painting on the wall. So I'm gonna paint over this now. I've got some wall paint left here. My only worry is that it had turned pink on top, but I think if I keep on stirring, this will go back to being white. I think this should be fine. Yeah, it's white. Just let it dry before I draw something on it. Moving on to our big frame. Let's see. I've got this cardboard here. I also have this tube. I don't know from where, but I've kept it because I thought someday I'd be able to use this. So maybe I'll saw this in half and then have it as a frame. I don't know what I have gotten myself into. This is going to take me weeks to finish. After 1 million hours, I finally sliced the pole. So I'm gonna measure this of how large my frame would be, and then I'll color it black. Careful with the glue gun. So I've attached the backing of the tubes for the frame. I'll just wait for it to at least dry off a little bit, and then I'll paint these black. In the meantime, this thing is dry, so I'll start. It's really cracking. Well, this one is dry now. It's cracked up a bit. The paint has cracked up, but I like it. It has a rustic feel to it. So I've decided what to draw on this canvas. I'm gonna draw this. It's a picture, or it's a drawing made by a friend, and I've got this tattooed on my back. So I'm gonna draw this to here. I hope I do good. Do you want to paint these, Chica? It's done now. I'm worried because the edges started peeling. It's peeling. I'll fix that later once this is dry. Okay, but it's done now and the cat is sleeping now. She's bored. Done with my painting and I'm gonna place it here to level this section here with the mirror and the other mirror. Okay, I placed it up there and I now have a painting of my cats. This is Millie because she's colored white and gray, and this is Chica, the one who is with me right now. But I'm ready to welcome her back. She'll be home next week, hopefully. I can see them every morning now, both of them. I also want to show this frame I did. I just picked it up from the garbage chute. Someone had thrown it because the glass was broken. So I had removed the glass and I had painted this. It was gold before, rustic gold, but it didn't go with the theme. So when I picked it up, I always thought I'm gonna paint over it. So I painted it black. So now it's in my study corner or workspace, and I know this is also a cork board. I can use this as a vision board, and there's more space up here, but what can I do? I'll be able to fix that someday. Okay, so I'm done with my DIY Wednesday for this week. And this one is finished. Okay, you might be wondering why I didn't do it as a complete square. It's because I ran out of the tube. It's like a toilet paper roll that's too big. I think it was from my carpet. I saved it. And now, as you can see, it has some character. So it wasn't enough, so I did it like this, like a broken square. I am so much happier with this now. I like this better than when I just had the painting up there. If you wanna look at my DIY video of how I did that painting, I'll put in the link below. My cats are here with me. Yay! So I copied this painting from a tattoo I had done on my back. It's just right here. I don't know if I can pull this out. Yep, that's them. Yep, that's them, my cats. So that's it, guys. You've seen how I have redecorated my space with some frames, some paintings. I'm gonna leave it here. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and comment, and while you're at it, please don't forget to subscribe also. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.